Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the missing microphone button on the keyboard on iPhone 16 Pro. So let's start. So if I bring up my keyboard, let me do that. You can see this is my keyboard and you can see the microphone button is missing. So let's bring it back. So let me close my Notes app first. Okay, so just open your Settings app and then scroll down to General and then tap on it, and then scroll down to Keyboard and then tap on it, and then scroll down to Dictation, this section, and in this section you can see here we have Enable Dictation, this option. So we need to enable dictation. Okay, so to enable it, just tap on this toggle button so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it and you can see here we have this pop-up, and on this pop-up we have this message. So let's read it. Okay, dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts and location to Apple when necessary for processing your requests. So just read this message, and if you agree, only then tap on this enable dictation, this button. So I agree to this. So let me tap on it and you can see dictation is now enabled. After that you can go back again and close your Settings app. And now if I bring up my keyboard, okay, you can see this is my keyboard and you can see the microphone button is back. Okay, so it's now fixed. So that's it, it's now done. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.